Congratulations on this wonderful film. How was it? I mean, how did you get involved in the first place?
I done a film when I was 15, and then the casting director got in touch with me and was like, "You still doing acting? Do you want to come audition for this?" And I auditioned for it and got the part, and now my life's like completely changed. But it's brilliant, yeah.
So, and that's a great point, because after the first film, do you kind of go, "Is the phone ever going to ring again? Was that it?"
Whereas like I'd done that, and then I'd done a short film, and then I had an agent for a bit, but I didn't do any work, and I was like, oh, so not that like in my head I was like, maybe this isn't for me, and then I ended up like getting this, and I was like, oh my god, like my life's just completely changed, and it's like it's really cool. It's
awesome,
nice.
Awesome. And for you, what is it that you love about your character most? And do you connect with her in any at any kind of level?
I do in some ways. I really like the character was really cool because she's really fun and like bubbly, but there's also like she's got a softer side, and there's like a really nice bit where it comes through, and yeah.
And is it nice to be able to have that kind of range in your acting where you can do the kind of extrovert thing, but then also you can just bring some kindness to the role and let that out on screen?
No, it was nice to do, like because it was a really fun, bubbly character, like loving the party and all that sort of stuff. But then there was like a couple of scenes where they were like quite, I don't know what the word is, like not meaningful, but they were just like sweet scenes. And like I remember when I first watched it, I was like, it made me really emotional. I never cry at films, but at the end I was like welling up. I was like, oh my god, like what is going on?
That's so cool to hear, because people don't always love seeing it themselves on screen. Are you hoping to see yourself on screen again soon for something else? Is this something you want to keep up with?
Oh, definitely. I'm hoping that I'll do more after this, and we'll just see, won't we? Fingers crossed.
Yeah, no, congratulations on this film, and thank you so much for speaking to us.
No, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching Hey You Guys!
Hey, you guys!
Hey, you guys!
Hey, that's what they all say.
Hey, you guys!
Hey, you guys!